If you want to get new always on display style on Samsung Galaxy A57, first of all, we can open settings. Over here in settings, scroll down a little bit and go to themes. Once you open Galaxy themes, then over here we should be able to switch to AODs at the bottom of the screen. And in here we can find a bunch of different themes that of course we can try out. Unfortunately, many of them are not for free, but we should be able to go to top, for example, and we can switch from all to free. And then we can see only free content in here. So let's say we're gonna choose something from that list, and let's say I'm gonna choose this one over here, and we can easily download the theme and apply it. We can set clock and image, I mean we can update both of these, or just the image. I'm gonna use both. Tap on done, and there we go, always on display has been applied. Now let me make sure that AOD is enabled. It is, so we should be able to see the new style. There we go, that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.